10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm eating this brownie before we fucking play this, because I'm gonna fucking choke if I get scared.
That would be quality content, though. I'll take the lead, boys.
Yeah, I'll go behind. Wait, what's Stina? What lead?
That didn't work out
Where'd
well.
you go? Stina, where are you at?
Hello?
Oh.
Hi. Okay.
Oh my!
Oh my god, it's thirsty! Probably you're going the wrong way!
I gotta run!
I got it. No!
You don't let her catch you, you gotta run.
Clayman, thanks for the
What do
follow.
you think I'm doing?
I hear him.
Oh, there you are. Hold on. I gotta take this battery.
Get the fuck away!
I can't see!
Oh my Jesus Christ! Oh
Get out of
my
here! Get
God.
out of here! Run!
Oh, I'm so done. I'm so done.
I think you guys are
Why'd
going
you
wrong
leave me alone with Stina?
What the heck?
Turn around!
Nah,
The thing's over here.
Oh, the door! Oh, the
My glasses.
I don't own
Nobody knows where your
Shut the
glasses
fuck up,
are.
Thelma.
Do you say Thelma?
You go ahead.
It really looks like Velma.
Can we play with these balloons? Boop. Boop. I hear the creature too. Well,
It's all coffee
that
again
just
too.
happened.
Get out of here!
Where are you guys?
Oh, they're here!
Oh my god, don't hit my door right now. That is not a thing that we should do. Oh,
She said, don't hit my door right now.
My jug done. Oh.
Shocker attack.
where are you? I don't even. Get off my friend!
Everybody, let's have a game plan right here.
Pablo. Your ass.
I'm gonna be back.
Stina, what the fuck are you wearing on your head?
Hey,
Velma,
that's my
I
hair.
hope
Thank
you
you very
die.
much.
Alright, Stina. Stina, wake up! Get a grip!
I'm fine, but y'all are attacking me and I don't appreciate it. Thought you guys were my friends.
Come on, Stina, we gotta go this way. Oh, Jesus.
Well, maybe we wouldn't attack you if you knew how to do your hair right.
My
Get out of
hair
the rock!
is beautiful. Don't hurt my friend. Hey, you were wrong. I found 2 tapes. What are you?
He's right there.
Take it out
Pablo,
of
now you
here.
have to deal with uncurling that hair.
My hair is fine. Why do people keep jump scaring me?
I sacrificed my life for you.
And I
my
love
God.
you. Where am I?
I'm always stuck in the afterlife with her.
Joey's bullying
I'm gonna
me. Can we gather around a campfire?
Which campfire? This one?
Yeah, let's go. This is my campfire song. Oh god, I can't move. She's
Oh
dead.
god, your hair's fucking awful.
And so are you.
Whoa, hey. I'm gonna play as my future girlfriend.
See, Sandra, she bullies me.
That's not true. You have no proof.
Oh my god!
Back away from my friends. Oh my god! Woo!
Yikes!
Where? Go away, Joey!
Peace out!
Get out of here! It's been real, boys.
Devoured?
Sorry.
Alright, boys. We're gonna do this with no
Man.
fucking
May her hair rest in peace.
shit.
Onward and forward, my boys. I'm behind you.
Oh my god, they're going to go you! Oh my god!
Stina's a badass. Let Stina go.
I'm
Seems
stuck
like
on
natural
something.
instincts.
Oh, never mind. I wasn't. This is awkward. Clap
Sorry.
on, clap off. Clap on, clap off. Clap on, clap off. It was bark, 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 bark.
That's the one that's dead. Shut up.
Stina's the one that's not impressed with you though. She says you've got to do better.
I just don't
Tina's
really
just
get.
mad because she's playing a character with the shittiest hair.
My hair is amazing, and this character is the only reason I'm playing. Though
My
to
head
be
hair looks
honest, like
sexier than
I
your
don't really
fucking
get
hair.
scared that
Wait,
much
you're
in
at-
this game. I kind of just play it up.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I do the exact same thing. Yeah. You know, we're good voice actors. Oh my, we're good voice actors. Okay, Stina. Okay, let's see. Map. What do we got here?
See, Kmart's in the back, and then Sears is over here, so... 10 cool points if anyone knows what video that's from.
There's a map. Okay, I feel like I'm at the mall. Okay, so you are here. Macy's is over there. Let's go.